Hey, what's going on here? This is Wayne and we are checking out the Futura PRO NA. Pretty cool machine right here. We're going to be cutting a
Honda high security key.
Honda high security key. All right, let's go. We're going to be cutting by code?
Yeah, we're going to be cutting by code.
And this machine can duplicate also, correct?
Correct.
All right.
Decode and it will duplicate.
All right, let's go.
We're going to start off by opening up the app. We are going to search. We're going to search by vehicle keys. We're going to type in the vehicle make. Type in Honda. Honda USA. We're going to pick a Honda Accord. Let's go with an 08 Plus. We're going to go to card. Tells you where your slot is. Cut the key. Let you cut by code, by cuts, decoding. We're going to cut by code in this case. Gives you the code series. We're going to search, I don't know, let's just make one up. K157. How about that? K157. Search. There's your cuts. Hit OK. Let's go ahead and open it up. Put it in the second slot. 1, 2. Wedge the key in there. Tighten it down, hand tight. The slot, make sure the tracer is up. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and lower it. And cut. And hit start. We are going. Makes about 5 passes to put less wear and tear on the cutter.
So this one's going to take 5 passes to make one side cut?
Right, it takes little metal as possible.
Okay.
To eliminate wear on the cutter. Also, this is the only machine that when the tracer is down, the machine will tell you, hey, your tracer is down, please, lift before you start cutting.
That's right.
So that'll save you, I don't know what a tracer costs, 70, 80 bucks.
And that would be that red knob.
Right.
That one. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. And then it's also going to notify you if this side, this black side over here, is down too.
Right. And this is for standard security edge cut. Like your H75s, your D34s, pretty high security key ones.
And so this will pretty much cut almost any automotive key, correct? Anything.
Yep. It's done. It took what, less than 5 minutes?
And we're at 3 minutes right now. It has to cut the other side?
We've already cut the other side. We've been running samples all day long.
Okay.
But I mean, you would just
flip it.
If you look at the screen, it tells you to go ahead and turn it. You would turn it, you would hit start, and then it would cut the key, and then you would. That's it.
All right, there you go. Futura PRO NA. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Help me out and help me help you out. Right below the description box right here is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to me and then you're going to get the latest and greatest information that I put out. Sometimes it applies to you, sometimes it doesn't. It's just going to at least let you know that we're putting out new and current information. And then right over here is a thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. Help this video rank higher in the searches for the search terms that you're using, and let other people be able to see this. That's the best way you can help. Interact. Leave a comment. I will get back with you if I can and try and help you answer your questions. But the more you interact and post this to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and spread this through the social media, the more that allows me to be able to help do more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.